Real quick, this is another recipe I do. Waffles with sour cream and chocolate syrup. It can be any chocolate syrup. Um, Basically, I'm not going to show it, but you just drizzle a little bit of chocolate onto these waffles with the sour cream. I call them French cake waffles. That's how they're supposed to look like. These are really good. This is what I do for my waffles. They're good. So, that's how you make French pop waffles. That's my recipe. Love you guys. I know this is a short video, but just wanted to show. This is part of my breakfast, along with the fire rice, the eggs I eat. This is what else I eat. Love y'all.